Welcome to Cherokee Township, where location, lifestyle, and award-winning floor plans come together to create the ideal living experience. Nestled between the charming downtowns of Acworth and Woodstock, Cherokee Township puts you mere minutes away from exceptional shopping, dining, concerts, farmers markets, and year-round events. Heading into the office or want to catch a game at Truist Park? You're covered, with I-75 just 5 minutes away and I-575 only 10 minutes away. Work and play are always within reach. And to make it even easier, Peach Pass access is located less than 2 miles from the community. In addition to Cherokee Township's great location, families will love being a part of the sought-after Cherokee County School District, featuring Clark Creek Elementary, E.T. Booth Middle, and Etowah High School. Inside these homes, discover the award-winning Brooks Townhome Plan, a beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a versatile loft, 2-car garage, and an open-concept living area perfect for entertaining. Upstairs, unwind in your luxurious owner's suite. Catch up on some work in your flexible loft space and enjoy 2 additional bedrooms for family and guests. With amenities like a dog park and a fire pit gathering area, Cherokee Township is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle. Discover altogether more location, lifestyle, and value at Cherokee Township. Schedule your tour today.